Let's practice some MCQs on the topic planning. Planning that provides guideline for routine decision is called. There are four options. 1. Contingency plan. B. Standing plan. C. Strategic plan. D. Single use plan. So the right answer is B. Standing plan. Planning that provides guideline for routine decisions is called standing plan. Next is strategic. Planning is usually done by four options are there. A. Supervisors. B. Middle management. C. Top management. And D. Workers. So the right answer for this question is C. Top management. So strategic planning is done by top management. Next question is short-term planning generally covers a period of options are 3 to 7 years, B 1 to 5 years, C up to 1 year, and D more than 10 years. So the right answer is C. That means short-term planning generally covers a period up to 1 year. Next question is a one-time event such as hosting an annual conference requires A. Strategic planning, B. Policy, C. Single-use plan, D. Rule. So the right answer is C. So single-use plan is required for one-time event such as hosting an annual conference. Next question is planning is for unexpected future situations. This refers to A. Standing planning, B. Operational planning, C. Contingency planning, and D. Short-term planning. So the right answer is C. So contingency planning is required for unexpected future situations. Next question is the broadest and most general plan is A. Budget, B. Rule, C. Strategy, and D. Procedure. So the right answer is C. Strategy. Strategy is the broadest and most general plan. Next question is a strict instruction like wear ID card all the time is A. Policy, B. Rule, C. Program, and D. Method. So the right answer is B. Rule. Next question is medium term planning usually spans A. 5 to 10 years, B. 1 to 5 years, C. Up to 1 year, and D. More than 10 years. The right answer is B. Medium term planning usually spans 1 to 5 years. Next question is detailed step-by-step instructions are called A. Rule, B. Procedure, C. Budget, and D. Objective. So the right answer is B. Procedure. Detailed step-by-step instructions are called procedure. Next question is a financial estimate for future activities is called A. Policy, B. Budget, C. SOP, D. Program. So the right answer is B. Financial estimate for future activities is called B. Budget. Next question is technical planning belongs to which level? A. Top level, B. Middle level, C. Lower level, and D. None. So the right answer is B. Middle level. So tactical planning is also called the middle level planning. Next question is increase customer satisfaction by 30% within 2 years is A. Vague goal, B. Smart objective, C. Policy, D. Rule. So the right answer is B. Smart objective. Increase customer satisfaction by 30% within 2 years is a smart objective. Next question is a plan developed for repetitive action is A. Single use plan, B. Directional plan, C. Standing plan, and D. Contingency plan. So the right answer is C. Standing plan. So a plan developed for repetitive action is called standing plan. Next is mission and vision belongs to A. Operational plan, B. Strategic plan, C. Budget, and D. Project plan. So the right answer is B. Strategic. Next is One of the limitations of planning is A. Removes uncertainty completely. B. Time consuming. C. Always accurate. And D. Eliminates decision making. So the right answer is B. Time consuming. Next question is, which of the following is not a standing plan? A. Policy. B. Rule. C. Program. And D. Procedure. So the right answer is C, that is program. Program is not a standing plan. Program is not a standing plan. Next is 17. Question number 17 is, detailed daily routine plan fall under A. Strategic planning, B. Operational planning, C. Tactical planning, and D. Contingency planning. So the right answer is operational planning. Detailed daily routine plans fall under operational planning. Next is, which plan is used when the expected plan fails? A. Backup plan, B. Contingency plan, C. Routine plan, and D. Rule. So the right answer is B. Contingency plan. Next is, broad guidelines from which detailed plans emerge are called A. Mission, B. Strategy, C. Policy, and D. Budget. So the right answer is C. Policy. Next question is, in a fast changing environment, which type of planning is most required? A. Fixed planning, B. Traditional planning, C. Flexible or directional planning, and D. None. So the right answer is C. Flexible or directional planning. In a fast changing environment, which type of planning is most required? That is flexible and directional planning.